Side bend with port de bras. So you're gonna have your client come into side lying or side seated in their Z-sit. From here, their arm is going to reach back toward the arc barrel where the wooden slab is, and they're gonna press hard into the palm. Bringing the opposite arm into a curvature, finding flexion over. Think of curving over that arc, but not getting close to it. That same hand that's pressing is gonna reach along the arc and press into the opposition, reaching to the top shelf, opening through the pecs and shoulders, finding that length. Inhale. Exhale, curving up and over, finding the flexion, feeling that opposition in the spine. Awesome. And then sliding that opposite hand over the arc, expanding through the collarbones, finding that rotation, feeling that length. Last one. Finding that exhale, feeling the belly connect up and off the opposite thigh. And then finding that rotation through the spine, opening through, finding the length through the crown of the head, and bringing it back to center into your Z-sit.